At the market you buy 2 mangoes and 3 oranges for 850 francs. Your friend buys 1 mango and 3 oranges for 650 francs. How do you find the price of each fruit? Simultaneous linear equations are 2 equations with 2 unknowns that are both true at the same time. We solve them together to find values of x and y. There are 2 main methods. Substitution means replacing one variable using the other equation. Elimination means adding or subtracting equations to remove one variable. Each equation is a straight line. The solution is the point where both lines cross. That single point satisfies both equations at once. Worked example 1. Solve x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 3 by elimination. Notice the y terms are opposite. Add the equations and y cancels out. (2x equals 10, so x equals 5. Substitute back. 5 plus y equals 7, so y equals 2. Our answer is x equals 5 and y equals 2. Worked example 2 using substitution. From the second equation, make x the subject, x equals 3 plus 3y. Now substitute this expression into the first equation. Expand the bracket, 6 plus 7y equals 8. So 7y equals 2 and y equals 2/7. Substitute back to find x equals 3 and 6/7. Common mistake. When subtracting equations, students forget to change all signs in the second equation. Remember, subtracting means reversing every sign in that equation. Remember SEA, substitute or eliminate, then find your answer. Always check by putting your values back into both original equations to verify. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons and visit ovasaabi.com. Share this video with a friend who needs help with algebra.